Hello everyone and thanks for jumping back into my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to give you all an update on the IOTA trade that I took yesterday, and I'm also going to make a plan of action for trading for this week. So let's get started quickly without wasting time. So the IOTA trade, if I show you on FTX, it was a short trade where I entered at 0.8118 and I exited at 0.7937. Now I took profits very aggressively because I was on the bearish side and I was expecting momentum to shift upwards because S&P is expected to open green tonight. So here you can see the yellow lines on IOTA. If I switch to the 1 hour time frame, the yellow lines, in between the yellow lines was my trade. So this was the trade that I took. It was a nice 2.5% trade that I took, and my profit was around 800 rupees. So I was pretty happy with the trade. It turned out exactly as I planned to. But the only thing is that I booked profits really quickly because I expect the prices to reverse from here before going back down again. So yeah. If we see Nifty opened 200 points gap up and it sustained throughout the day. So we can expect S&P also to do the same and hope that S&P does something similar today. Because if we see on the weekly time frame, we have a very strong bullish hammer that has formed with good volumes. And on the RSI as well, if you see on the 4-hour RSI, we've been making this. Sorry. We've been making this inverse head and shoulder on the RSI, which is a bullish chart pattern and which tells us momentums are making higher highs. So we can expect or hope for some kind of a relief rally on S&P, and that's going to be a plan of action. When S&P reaches structural resistances, we can expect Bitcoin also to reach around these 40,000 marks, and that will give us nice shorting opportunities to the downside once Bitcoin tries to retest this levels. So what's happening right now is we are tagged red on the RSI and on the 4-hour RSI. So the bearish is still bearish, but what's happening on the stochastic is that we have fallen and we've reached oversold territories. So we don't want this while shorting. We want the stochastic to get up to oversold levels, overbought levels, I mean, and that's when a perfect shorting opportunity would arise. So that's a plan of action. We hope that S&P opens green, Bitcoin follows, reaches overbought stochastic conditions, the altcoins follow that, and then we have nice shorting opportunities which can give us a 10 to 15% trade. And if we don't get the setup, we don't trade. It's as simple as that. If S&P opens red and then Bitcoin also dumps. Then we wait for structures to break. Like for example, on Rose, we wait for the structure to break. We wait for the retest of this structure, and then on the retest, we hope that we enter overbought territories in the stochastic, and then we short it. So trading is about not trading every day. We just have to make a plan of action every weekend, and if the trading opportunity or setup arises, we trade and we book profits aggressively. So that's the plan of action for this week. If you like the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do let me know in the comments if you will take any of the trades. Thank you.